DJI is ready to announce the highly anticipated Osmo 360 on July 31st, following the leak of jaw-dropping 8K specs and 120-megapixel capture capabilities by a major European retailer. Meanwhile, GoPro Max 2 prototypes just surfaced on Chinese marketplaces, showing mysterious cooling systems that hint at huge upgrades. The 360 wars are exploding, and here's everything we know about it. The DJI Osmo 360 embraces a sleek, modern design with magnetic quick-release functionality that seamlessly integrates with existing Osmo action mounts. The camera features a sophisticated build quality with dual lenses positioned for optimal 360-degree capture, complemented by an intuitive interface that supports both gesture and voice control. DJI has incorporated glove-compatible gesture commands, while the magnetic charging system adds convenience for users. The GoPro Max 2 is said to maintain the rugged, adventure-ready design philosophy that made the original Max popular. Recent prototype leaks show the familiar folding fingers mounting system present on other recent GoPro cameras. The design appears more refined than the original Max, with a centralized lens positioning that should improve optical performance. It will feature GoPro's signature tough construction with a rear touchscreen display. DJI Osmo 360 delivers impressive technical specifications with native 8K 360-degree video recording capabilities, powered by what's equivalent to a 1-inch CMOS sensor system, capable of 120-megapixel image capture. The camera features an f/1.9 aperture with 2.4 micrometer pixels for enhanced low-light performance, supporting multiple frame rate options, including 4K at 120 frames per second with 170-degree field of view, 5K at 60 frames per second, and up to 6K at 60 frames per second in full 360-degree mode. Meanwhile, the original GoPro Max recorded 5K 360-degree video at 24 frames per second and 1440p at 60 frames per second. Industry speculation suggests the Max 2 will significantly upgrade these capabilities with higher resolution recording, improved frame rates, and enhanced low-light performance. DJI Osmo 360 offers comprehensive feature sets, including Osmo Audio direct mic support with dual microphone transmitter compatibility, fully integrated with the new DJI Mic 3 system for professional audio recording. The camera includes ambient backup recording capabilities, invisible selfie stick support for drone-like third-person perspectives without post-editing requirements, and advanced shooting modes, including 4x slow motion and 4K at 100 frames per second options. The GoPro Max 2 will likely build upon the original Max's popular features. The original Max included time warp for 360-degree time-lapse videos, power pano for 270-degree panoramic photos, and 6 built-in digital lenses for traditional video recording. Expected improvements include enhanced hypersmooth stabilization, specifically optimized for 360-degree content, improved audio recording with better wind noise reduction, and new creative modes designed for social media content creation. DJI Osmo 360 promises exceptional image and video quality with its native 8K recording capability and ultra-high dynamic range support. The 1-inch sensor system combined with the 10-bit D-Log-M support will enable professional-grade color grading and post-production workflows. The various frame rate options provide flexibility for different shooting scenarios. The GoPro Max 2 is expected to significantly improve upon the predecessor's image quality. The original Max struggled somewhat in low-light conditions and had limited dynamic range compared to dedicated cameras. It is rumored that the Max 2 will address these limitations with larger sensors, improved image processing algorithms, and better dynamic range. DJI Osmo 360 is confirmed for launch on July 31st, with pricing information not yet officially disclosed. However, considering DJI's positioning against competitors, the camera is expected to target the premium 360-degree camera market segment. The GoPro Max 2 release timeline remains uncertain despite CEO confirmation of a 2025 launch window. Given the expected technological improvements and years of development, the Max 2 will likely carry a premium price point ranging from $599 to $799. If you need a 360-degree camera immediately, the DJI Osmo 360 represents the clear choice with its comprehensive feature set, proven 8K recording capabilities, and availability. However, if you can wait and prefer GoPro's ecosystem and build quality, the Max 2 might be worth considering, especially given the heatsink improvements and market-redefining capabilities. So, which one wins the ultimate 360 camera battle? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.